Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I am doing another vlog for you today, and if you are new to my channel, I just kind of started this vlog in an attempt to sort of keep a diary of the hip replacement surgery that I had about a week and a half ago, well almost 2 weeks ago. So I started before my surgery, so if this is your first time here, this is my first time to really ever do kind of a vlog series. So welcome. Typically I do things like shopping hauls, home organization, small little DIYs, things like that. So if you like those sort of things, or if you are interested in following me on my hip replacement journey, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that bell button because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. If you are not new to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by. I really appreciate you following me along on this journey. And if you, again, if this is your first time here, I will I'll put the link for my other videos in the description box down below. So just a little update. Today I am in, I think it is day 12 of my, let me check and make sure. I have a calendar that I'm keeping track of everything. So I am on day 12 of, yes, day 12 of my post-op days. And so up to this point, I have been kind of having a hard time sleeping in my bed. It just feels very uncomfortable. I don't like, I'm not a back sleeper, and they recommend you sleeping on your back for at least a while. There's not really like a set number of days, but up until now, I've been sleeping on my back, and in the bed, it's just really hard. I'm not a back sleeper, so I've actually been sleeping on one of those recliners behind me, and I love it. It's been much more comfortable. I don't feel like there's as much kind of like that pulling feeling on the incision, and actually, I've had a lot of like tingling and kind of almost kind of numbness sensation in the other hip that I had surgery on 2 years ago. But from what I understand, that's normal because it's all those nerves kind of, you know, learning how I'm walking again, because I've been walking kind of off for so long just because my hip was so bad. So now that I have a new hip, it's kind of just all a new learning process for even my nerves, not just muscles, bones, things like that, but even the nerves. So in the recliner, that has helped a lot with that sensation. So last night, I have tried to go back periodically and sleep in the bed. One night I did, and I slept horribly. So the next night I went back and I slept in the recliner. And then several nights ago, I tried again, and at about 1:30, I woke my husband up. I'm like, I gotta go in the recliner because I can't sleep. So last night I slept in the bed again. I wouldn't say it was terrible. It wasn't a great night's sleep. But just, you know, when you're limited in your movement, and I don't know, it was not as comfortable. So at 5 o'clock this morning, I noticed my husband was already up, so I just got up and I came in here and got on the recliner and fell back asleep for about 2 more hours. So I got 2 more hours of sleep. Today I have noticed, day 12, I have noticed I kind of have a little burst of energy. Up until now, I've just kind of felt drained, and my energy doesn't last as long. But today I've kind of felt a little surge of energy, or not really feeling like I want to sit down all day, because when you sit and you sleep in the same chair all day, every day for 12 days, or not really 12 because I haven't been home for 12 days, but you know what I mean. So anyway, that's kind of where I am. I did have physical therapy again this morning. This is my last week of home health physical therapy. And guess what? Dun, da, da, da. I got promoted, I guess, from the walker to my cane. So now I can use my cane to get around. I'm still a little slow with it just because I'm a little nervous not having that walker stability, you know, but I am starting to use my cane, and I got this cane from Walmart. I was like $12 or something. I got it for my last surgery, but that's where I got this cane from. So I didn't have to like, you know, use medical expenses to buy it because it wasn't really that expensive. So one thing I did do is I wanted to see how I was progressing now to my previous surgery. Just not only to see if I was doing a little bit better, but to see if, like, to see where I am and like, okay, I have this to look forward to, or I have that to look forward to. So I typically use, to keep my schedule every week, I typically use what's called Happy Planner. And this is my Happy Planner that I currently use. I love it, but it says the Happy Planner. And I love these. If you haven't seen any videos on Happy Planner, I will actually link the video to where I introduced this one to you in the description box, so you can see that as well. But I went back, I scrolled on Facebook all the way back to 2019 when I had my other surgery, and I looked at some of the things that I had been, you know, how I was progressing, and I made a little tracker, and this is what the tracker looks like. And it just says 2019 post-surgery progress. And the reason I named it the 2019 is because that was the progress for 2019. Duh. I'm sure you followed that, but anyway, I just thought I'd make that distinction. So anyway, I noticed on day 15, I started using a cane. So I'm already, 3 days ahead? Yay me. And then day 17, I saw that it was my first time out of the house. I will say yesterday was actually my first time out of the house. So I'm head there, yay me again. Of course, I didn't drive. I placed an order from Bed Bath & Beyond for something that I'm actually gonna do in another video, but he drove me to go pick it up. So that was my first time out of the house since I came home. Let's see, my surgery was on February 17th. I came home on February the 18th. Yes, February 18th. And so yesterday was my first day out of the house. So that was nice to kind of see the world again. But anyway, so that is kind of what I have on. I don't know if you're interested, but on some of the milestones, I have day 18, I made a Walmart trip, which I think someone drove me to Walmart, because later on it has that I drove for the first time. So someone took me to Walmart, and I just used the buggy just to get out, walk around. I didn't do like a huge shopping trip or anything. It was just a chance to just get out, go to Walmart, kind of experience like normal life again. And then I have my 1 month post-op doctor visit. On day 24, I went to a movie with my family. Day 26 was the first time to drive. So if I base it on that, I still have about, 13 days? Almost 2 weeks before I can drive. Oh, Lord. Anyway. So yeah, and then I have a couple other things, but anyway, that is where I am on day 12 post-op of my total hip replacement on my right hip. So thank you so much for keeping up with me on this. I appreciate you following me. Makes me feel loved. Leave me a comment in the comments below, even if it's a little word of encouragement. Give me a thumbs up for the video if you like this video, or if you are thinking of having hip replacement, and this may, have helped you in a little, just even a little bit. So also, if you know of anyone who is considering any kind of joint replacement, hip or knee joint replacement, why don't you share this video with them, and hopefully I can help them out as well, just to kind of let them know what to expect. So anyway, I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.